Your wellness business isn't stuck because your products aren't good enough, and it isn't stuck because the economy isn't the greatest. And it's probably not stuck because you need yet another certification or another course or another social media strategy. In fact, I see the same 7 mistakes over and over again. And the good news is every single one of them is fixable. My name is Mandy Sommers. I'm the founder of Sommers School, and I have had a wellness business for the past 20 years. And I have done over $20 million in sales of products, affiliate commissions, and selling courses online. I've spent years helping wellness businesses automate, market, and grow their businesses. And I've watched businesses explode and I've watched great people stay stuck. And the difference usually isn't talent. And today I'm going to cover the 7 real reasons why wellness businesses plateau and they just crash and burn. Mistake number 1 is you're selling products instead of solving problems. And people don't wake up thinking, okay, I want this particular creatine or I want this particular essential oil. Usually what they wake up thinking is, I want better sleep. I want more energy. I want less anxiety. I want to lose some weight. I want my kids to be healthy. I want fewer toxins in my house. People buy transformations. And so instead of selling creatine or essential oils, try something like, I help exhausted moms naturally get their energy back. So you're speaking to the exact niche of exactly what you're doing. And this is actually one reason why I created my Know Her Like Your Best Friend, which you can find in the description below, where you go through a series of chat or Claude prompts, AI prompts that will help you get your messaging down exactly so you know exactly what you should be saying to your ideal client. Mistake number 2 is you're talking to everyone. General messaging creates invisible marketing. So ask yourself, who exactly do I help? Who is that person? So examples could be women over 40 who are busy moms who need extra hormone support, or they could be autoimmune warriors who are struggling to find energy and get sleep, or it could be moms who are looking to raise their kids naturally. So you want very specific wins that you can give to your audience. And when you speak to the general, it's hard to get specific. Mistake number 3 is you're relying too much on social media. This is a huge mindset shift. So I want you to ask yourself, if Instagram disappeared tomorrow, would your business survive? And most people realize no. And social media should actually be what's attracting, but that might not actually be what's the problem, because is your social media even working for you? Social media should never own your business to where you're putting all of your energy into the social media, but it's not really giving back what you're wanting, what you're needing. And so mistake number 3 is just putting all your eggs in that social media basket and thinking it's going to solve all of your issues when really it's not. There are so many other ways that you can reach out and get, customers. And on top of it, you don't actually own your audience in social media. Mistake number 4 is you're not following up. This is actually huge. The fortune is in the follow-up. I'm sure you've heard this before, but most customers buy after multiple touch points. It's not just about a one and done and they respond to one of your posts and you're like, oh, never mind, they didn't want it. No, they need multiple touch points. In fact, I've heard that they need over 10 in some industries to even move the needle. Yet most wellness professionals, they send one message, they get ignored, and then they never follow up again. And people aren't saying no. They're just busy. They just need to be reminded over and over again. And this is one reason why paid advertising works so well, because the first time you see something, you might think, oh, I don't necessarily need that. But by day 10, you're like, okay, for sure, I need this product. So mistake number 5 is everything depends on you. If you stop working, everything stops working. So the question I want you to ask is, who is welcoming your new customers? Who is educating your new customers? Who's doing the follow-up? Who's booking the appointments? Who's remembering the birthdays? And if the answer is me, then you have a bottleneck and you need a system. And that is what I do at Summer School is I teach you exactly how to build a system that can help you follow up, that can help educate your new customers, that can actually help enroll new clients into your business. Mistake number 6 is you're starting over every single month. And this is a huge one. Many people, they launch, then they disappear, then they launch again, and then they disappear. And instead of spending their time creating evergreen systems that can perform over and over again, even when you're exhausted, even when you feel like you need to disappear, you have a system that steps in for you. And that consistency compounds. And this is one reason why I love using the software GHL. It does everything. It's got my funnels, my website, my email automations, my texting, my products, my membership site, my courses, everything in one place. And if you want a 30-day free trial, you can click the link below, and that will also qualify you for my weekly mentoring where you can jump in with a group of like-minded wellness entrepreneurs who are building out systems that are helping them really simplify their lives and actually show up in a totally different energetic way. You can find that link below. Mistake number 7 is you don't have a system. So I guess I jumped the gun on that one. This is the real issue. Most businesses have, most small businesses, I should say, most big businesses, they know they need systems, but most small businesses, they have like random notes all over. They've got Facebook Messenger going. They've got Post-its all over their mirror. They've got text messages, Google Documents, emails. How many of you have ever texted yourself? Like, here's what I need to do for my business. And nothing is actually connected. You've got Google Forms. You've got Google Sheets. Instead, successful businesses build successful systems. And that actually takes time and effort. And that is one reason why I created Summer School, so I could help you with that tech. I've been building systems for over 15 years, and I actually love it. It's a passion that I have. And if you, like I said, if you want to jump in and just try it out for 30 days, see what it's like being inside a community of like-minded wellness educators, then check out the link for GHL. It's Go High Level below. That's going to connect you, and I will get notified that you are looking to start building a system. And I have amazing templates that I will send you and then we'll walk you through it. I've got tons of courses that walk you through step by step with videos of here's what you need to do to make this system successful. And then you can come to the calls where I always teach something, but I open it up for questions, for strategy, so you can get the guided support, exact support that you need. And it's absolutely free if you just use my GHL link. So when I got a system, this is actually when everything shifted for me. In fact, I remember building out my very first fully automated system. I'd had a website before. I had tried to do funnels before. I had tried to email, but when I brought it all into one place, everything shifted, and it's only $97 a month after the 30-day trial for everything, for your emailing, texting, websites, funnels, all of it, and the mentoring to help you build it out. I didn't suddenly become more talented. I just suddenly had systems that could support my business and could support me. And so I was able to show up in a much more effective way. And that is exactly what I want for you. I want you to feel like you can capture leads, send emails, send texts, book appointments, deliver courses, build funnels, manage your customers, automate your follow-up, collect reviews, build websites, track conversations. Instead of using 10 different tools, you can do everything with just one. And I used to wonder who I was forgetting to follow up with. And now somebody downloads my guide, they receive a welcome email, they get educational emails, they receive text reminders, they can book a consultation, they can watch a video, they can get onboarded automatically. There's no manual work, and it's absolutely amazing. Don't build a business that depends on your memory. That is not the type of business that you want to be building. Build one that runs every time you're out gardening, your dahlias. I love dahlias. That's why I say that. Or build a business that is running while you're sleeping or while you're spending time with family or you're on vacation or you're serving customers. Systems create freedom. If you're serious about growing your wellness business, I teach exactly how to build these systems inside of Go High Level. And if you're ready to stop chasing customers and start creating businesses that work for you, then check out the link below where you can start your free Go High Level trial. It will give you a 30-day free trial to access my beginner training. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this, please hit the thumbs up, give it a like, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.